Jesus was sent by his Father from heaven to come and preach the kingdom. Jesus and religion are two different. Jesus never mentioned religion. And also build a kingdom. Rebuild the kingdom of God, because God rules us and guides us through a kingdom, not through a religion. Religion is demonic. Religion is Luciferic.
Yes.
It is not godly. God never introduced religions. God gave us the kingdom. And that's why when Jesus was asked by the disciples, how will we be praying? He said, thy kingdom come. Hallowed be thy Father. Thy kingdom come. Jesus, when he came and he told us, I have been sent by my Father to come and bring the message of the kingdom.